Italy has a love story for you. It's a story of resilience, beauty, and breathtaking views. It's the story of Via dell'Amore, the path of love. This enchanting trail, closed for 12 long years, has reopened its arms to lovers, dreamers, and travelers from around the world. Imagine strolling hand in hand along a rugged cliffside path. The turquoise waters of the Ligurian Sea sparkle below. The scent of salt air and blooming wildflowers fills the air. This is Via dell'Amore, a place where romance seems to seep from the very stones. The path's reopening is a triumph. It signifies the dedication of engineers, architects, and the Italian spirit. For over a decade, this iconic pathway lay dormant, silenced by a landslide. But now, the path of love sings again, beckoning us to experience its magic. Via dell'Amore is nestled in the heart of Cinque Terre, a string of 5 picturesque villages clinging to Italy's rugged coastline. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a feast for the senses. Imagine colorful houses stacked like candy boxes against hillsides, vineyards cascade towards the sea, their grapes promising a taste of sunshine. The path of love connects 2 of these jewels, Riomaggiore and Manarola. It's a leisurely stroll, less than a mile long, but every step reveals a new vista. The path is carved into the cliffs, offering unparalleled views of the sea and the villages that hug its edge. Local legend says that couples who walk the path hand in hand will find eternal love. Whether the legend holds true or not, one thing is certain. Via dell'Amore is a place to slow down, to savor the moment, and to appreciate the beauty of the world around you. Reopening Via dell'Amore was no small feat. The 2012 landslide that closed the path presented engineers with a unique challenge. How do you rebuild a pathway that clings precariously to a cliff face, buffeted by wind and sea? The answer lay in innovation and respect for the environment. Helicopters were brought in to transport materials to the site, minimizing disturbance to the fragile ecosystem. Skilled rock climbers resembling modern-day mountain goats scaled the cliffs to install safety measures. Stainless steel nets, almost invisible to the eye, now drape the cliffs, preventing further rock falls. Deep bolts, anchored into the rock, provide additional support. The result is a path that is both safe and visually stunning, a testament to human ingenuity and nature's resilience. Section 4. Accessing Paradise: New Rules for a Timeless Experience. To protect Via dell'Amore's beauty and ensure a pleasant experience for all, a new ticketing system is in place. Gone are the days of spontaneous strolls. Today, a visit to the Path of Love requires a bit of planning. Tickets must be purchased online in advance. This helps regulate the number of visitors on the path at any given time, preventing overcrowding. The cost? A small price to pay for Paradise, just €10. Access is limited to 400 people per hour, with groups departing every 15 minutes. This ensures a more intimate experience, allowing you to savor the views and soak in the atmosphere without feeling rushed. Section 5. The path reopens: celebration and gratitude. The reopening of Via dell'Amore was met with jubilation. Locals and tourists alike gathered to celebrate the return of this beloved landmark. The air buzzed with excitement, a shared joy at witnessing history in the making. Government officials and dignitaries were present, but the true stars of the show were the engineers, architects, and workers who had poured their hearts and souls into the project. Their dedication had brought Via dell'Amore back to life, better and stronger than before. Speeches were made, thanking everyone involved in the restoration. The Italian flag fluttered in the breeze, a symbol of national pride. As the sun began its descent, casting a warm glow over the festivities, it was clear this was more than just a reopening. It was a celebration of resilience, beauty, and the enduring power of love. Section 6. An invitation to wander, discover the magic of Via dell'Amore. The path of love awaits. It beckons to those seeking romance, adventure, or simply a moment of peace amidst stunning natural beauty. It's a place to create memories, to reconnect with nature, and to fall in love with Italy all over again. Book your tickets, pack your bags, and prepare to be enchanted. Via dell'Amore is more than just a path. It's an experience. It's a reminder that even after the harshest storms, beauty can bloom again. Come, walk the path and discover the magic for yourself.